Let's look at how to timestamp a video in YouTube. I've gone into the edit video option in the YouTube Studio. Main thing is to go into the description. I will put in lots of different timestamp areas or chapters. The main thing to remember is I need to put in the first timestamp at 00. Whatever way I do the timestamp, I just need to make sure that I put in a time with a colon in the middle. This will refer on to seconds and minutes. If I put in a second colon, that will mean that I've got seconds, minutes, and hours. So the first timestamp has to happen at 0 seconds, and then I go and add in the other chapters after that. So the next piece is at 0 minutes and 19 seconds, and the next one after that is at 0 minutes and 35 seconds, and so on. After I've finished adding in all of the minutes or timestamps, it's a matter of just going and clicking save. And now when I go and look at the video in the normal view of YouTube, I can see the different timestamp or chapters are there. And also down in the description, all of the different timestamps are hyperlinks, and I can just click to the different areas of the video and show that chapter immediately. And that's how to create timestamps in YouTube.